Meaning of Dutchman.
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 Dutchman. The word Dutchman can have different meanings depending on context. In the United States, it is sometimes used as a derogatory term for people of Dutch descent, while in South Africa it refers to people of Afrikaans heritage. It can also refer to a type of sailor's knot or a type of play in baseball. The origin of the term is uncertain but may have evolved from the German word Deutsch, meaning German. Overall, the meaning of Dutchman is complex and varied, with different connotations in different cultures and contexts.